Welcome to Auto Street, the place where we bring classic soul and modern performance right to your screen. Today, we have something truly special that bridges the gap between automotive history and future innovation. We are looking at the 2026 Morris Minor 1000, a car that doesn't just pay homage to the past but redefines it for the modern era. If you've been following the channel, you know we love a good comeback story, and this one is a masterpiece. Just looking at this car, you can see how the iconic silhouette of the original Morris Minor has been preserved, yet every curve feels more intentional and aerodynamic. The exterior of this 2026 model is finished in a stunning, deep wine red that shifts beautifully under the light, giving it a premium, liquid-like luster that the original owners could only dream of. The chrome work is impeccable, from the classic front grille with the prominent Morris lettering to the sleek, modern accents that run along the beltline. It's a convertible that demands attention without being loud, striking a perfect balance between vintage charm and contemporary luxury. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the designers have managed to keep those friendly, bug-eye headlights but have replaced the old bulbs with state-of-the-art adaptive LED technology. These lights provide incredible visibility while maintaining that signature circular look. The hood retains its classic center ridge, leading down to a bumper that is much more integrated and streamlined than the bolt-on chrome pieces of the 50s. As we walk around to the side, you'll notice the stance is a bit more aggressive. The wheel arches are slightly flared to accommodate modern performance tires wrapped around classic-style polished wheels. It sits lower to the ground than the original, which hints at the performance upgrades hidden beneath that wine red skin. The soft top, also color-matched in a darker shade of burgundy, folds away neatly to reveal a cream leather interior that looks like it belongs in a high-end boutique. But let's talk about what happens when you press the start button, because the performance of the 2026 Morris Minor 1000 is where the real transformation lies. Gone is the old, chugging A-series engine. In its place, this modern iteration features a highly efficient, turbocharged powertrain that delivers a surprising amount of punch. On the road, this car feels light and nimble, staying true to its heritage but with the added confidence of modern suspension and braking systems. The steering is sharp and communicative, making every corner an absolute joy. It's not just a city cruiser anymore, this is a car you can confidently take on a weekend getaway through winding mountain roads. The 2026 model also includes regenerative braking and hybrid assistance, ensuring that while you're enjoying the classic vibe, you're also being kind to the environment and your fuel budget. It's a smooth, refined ride that manages to filter out the harshness of the road while still letting you feel connected to the driving experience. Finally, we have to discuss the investment. Owning a piece of reimagined history like this doesn't come cheap, but when you consider the level of craftsmanship and the technology packed into this frame, the value is clear. The 2026 Morris Minor 1000 starts at a premium price point, reflecting its status as a boutique, low-volume production vehicle. Depending on the level of customization, like the bespoke paint and interior we see here, prices can range significantly, often starting in the mid-range of luxury sports cars. It's a vehicle for the enthusiast who wants the reliability of a new car with the soul of a legend. Here at Auto Street, we think it's one of the most exciting releases of the year. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice style for substance. Thank you for joining us on this detailed look at the 2026 Morris Minor 1000. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Street for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating cars.